Let me know when everyone is ready, please. Can we turn some big lights off? Can you turn that light off, James?
Yeah, turn that one off.
Just press it in.
I've opened it.
Let me know when you're ready, Dean.
Won't be long now.
Because there's a lot of people around here, Dean, don't guarantee anything.
No, no.
The window's open. I need that window closed.
Well, am I?
I don't know, love. Could you just look behind the blinds, see if I'll close that window or not, please, Dean?
Yeah.
It's funny how you can come so serious when you're doing this after a few drinks.
Isn't it?
Well, you're dealing with the
Underworld.
But I like to take it seriously, so I hope everyone here tonight
You know I do.
will take it seriously. When you're all ready and you're all settled, I would like to continue. Let me know when you're all ready. Dean?
Yeah, just a moment. Give me like 10 seconds.
Energy patch, yeah.
No.
Yes.
No, there was a spirit that wanted to
That
talk
was
to
after
me,
you.
wasn't there?
Yes, I was.
Young male committed suicide.
Right. I'd like you all to be quiet, please. Good evening, spirits. I welcome you into my home this evening. I wish you no harm. Spirits, would you still be with me this evening? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Thank you, spirits. Spirits, we have a Dean here this evening who would like to communicate with spirits.
Keep your arm still.
Is there anyone who'd like to speak to Dean this evening? Would you do a circle for yes, horizontal for no? So basically, there's someone with me tonight, is there? Circle for yes, horizontal for no.
Keep still.
I'm trying. Thank you, Spirit. Do you know who you are? Do you know who you want to talk to this evening? Right, I'm moving you up, Spirit, sorry. Spirit? Would you like to talk to me this evening? Come on, John. You're always here. Please tell me you're here this evening. Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Thank you, John. John, can you do a circle for yes, that it's you? And it's moving in my fingers. Thank you, John. I'm going to move you again, John, because I keep going down. John, did we have a daughter? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Come on, John, you know the truth. We didn't have a daughter.
But your class is Holly as a daughter.
Yeah, I know that. Did we have a son called Christopher? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. John, have you passed over? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Thank you for John. John, are you waiting for someone to pass over with you? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. John, are you waiting for me? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. John, you do realise I'm not going anywhere anytime soon.
It is said that spirits' perception of time is different to ours.
John, are you going to let me lead my life? And let me be 3. Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Got to move your arm keeps going down. John, do you come into my bedrooms most evening? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Are you waking me up most evenings, John? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Will you please let me sleep, because I'm not, John. Have you put photographs by my bed, John? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Is there something you want, John? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. John, did we have a daughter? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. He's not John.
He's not John. How do you know that?
He just said we had a daughter.
Alright.
But does he class Holly as his daughter?
I don't know. No, he always did. Your
He's never said
stepdaughter.
yes to it.
Good evening, spirits. I'd like to wish you no harm. I'd like to wish you into my home. Is there anybody who'd like to communicate with all of us this evening?
Would there be anyone that would like to contact Karen? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. No. How about Dean? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. So you'd like to contact Dean tonight? And it's a female spirit. And is it right that you're a female spirit?
What, a female that's passed away? I can't remember any offhand.
When you passed away, was you elderly? Circle for yes, horizontal for no.
When you passed
No.
away, was you a baby? Circle for yes, horizontal for no.
You got to think she spoke to you loads of times on this.
She has.
She hasn't dad, so
What, is it Gemma or not?
we're saying yes.
So how old are you?
Did you grow? Do you grow in the spirit world?
How old would Gemma be in the spirit world?
Amber's age 30.
They don't write spirit world, Dean.
Well,
Well,
how
she's
can she
saying
talk
yes.
to us then?
I don't know, but they can't. I've been told they can't grow in the spirit world.
Okay, give
Gemma?
us some trick questions.
Who knows?
Gemma,
You're saying no, actually.
is this really you, Gemma? Have you grown in the afterlife? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Okay, Gemma. Can you see your brothers and sisters now? Can you see them? Do you know that they love you?
Ask Gemma to say something.
What do you
In
mean?
the audio.
Say something.
Gemma, Daddy loves you, Mummy loves you.
Trouble is, some spirits pretend to be somebody.
That's why you got to do trick
I'm
questions.
just trying to think of a trick question. Would there be Tom's father here this evening to talk to Holly? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Tom's father. What's his name?
Tony.
Tony, are you here this evening? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Would you like to talk to Holly this evening, Tom? Tony?
Hi Tony, if that's you.
Trick question.
Did you have a wife called Shelley? Tony.
Did he?
No.
Right, come to a standstill, please, Pendulum. He's very strong tonight. Is there anybody in this room you'd like to communicate with? Bloody hell.
My hand moving.
No.
Are you happy where you are?
Are you happy where you are? Very happy.
Good.
Okay. Spirits, can we come to a standstill, please? We know you're very strong this evening, but we'd like you to come to a standstill. Would you be Rosa's father this evening, coming through? Circle for yes, horizontal for no. Okay, now I'm doing trick questions. Thank you very much, spirits. Eric, do you see Debbie, your wife, visiting Steve? Circle for yes, horizontal for no.
Oh no.
Does she go there?
Oh, look at that.
No, he comes to our house like all the time.
Do you see... Oh my God. Are you happy with Steve coming to your home?
I'm going to drop this in a minute.
Don't drop it.
That's going fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
Listen, Eric.
He's not happy.
No. Eric, she's not going with Steve. She loves you. Are you happy with that?
Who's not going to believe that?
No, he does. Fucking hell.
What's that saying?
It's literally banging off my
I
arm.
know it is.
I don't
Is that yes or no?
I don't
No.
want to say it.
Holly is his daughter?
I don't know. No, he always did.
But does he class Holly as his daughter?
I don't know. No, he always did. He does come through.
The other night it was banging off the glass.
Are you happy where you are? Very happy. Tom's father. Okay, now I'm doing trick questions. Thank you very much, spirits. Daddy loves you. Mummy loves you.
But does he class Holly as his daughter?
I don't know. No, he always did.
But does he class Holly as his daughter?
I don't know. No, he always did. He does come through.
The other night it was banging off the glass.
Are you happy where you are? Very happy. Tom's father. Okay, now I'm doing trick questions. Thank you very much, spirits. Daddy loves you. Mummy loves you.